What is going on, everybody? It's been a hot minute. I think it's been about 3 months since my last YouTube upload, and since then a lot has happened. I have something that's not quite technically my outdoors fishing whatever that I usually do. However, what I do have is an upgrade for Reba, my 6.7 Cummins. So what we've got here, I'm placing an order for new headlights for my truck because the stock headlights are just a little bit less than I prefer. These are from a company I found on one of my forums, RPM, Retail Procurement Management. He is a 100% respectable guy, and he's from Texas. He builds these LEDs. So straight out of the package, we get this really nice sticker. Got his phone number, Facebook, RPM956. Coming out of the package are the little resistors, because these are LEDs and the 3rd gen Dodges don't like LEDs. And the actual units themselves, the LEDs. These are the H13 lows and highs. This is the product manual. These are LEDs. They provide a step-by-step on how to install. Let's see. Check removal steps. Please keep the LED chips symmetrical. Pulling one of the units out of their securement packaging. So when they go in, they will be facing like this. We are going to have a before and after. Currently right now, I believe it's my driver's side headlight, is out. So it's like I have a padiddle right now, but people driving down 40 right now and just like they see my truck and they're like, crap, padiddle. So it's whatever. But I'm happy to be able to finally start getting some better things for my truck. Oh, I'm literally just started a video. What? Okay, it's a little bit later in the day. I kind of messed up. So in that package, you get the LEDs and the resistors, so you don't have a CAN bus issue where your LEDs start flickering or over voltage or under voltage or whatever. And I believe he hand makes these himself, or hand wires them. This male to female adapter, which if you order your own, this male to female adapter is very well put together. It's a very quality focus. There. It's quality plastic. This lock, oh my lord. So with my current headlight, I promise, my headlights are on right now. This is just what my single little halogen light provides. And then with my fogs on, let these cars pass real quick. Fogs off, or fogs on, fogs off. These halogen headlights suck. We're gonna do the install on the LEDs here in a little bit, after I get done with date night with the one and only. So I'll see you guys as soon as we start the install. So starting out with these headlight assemblies, these are going to be two 10mm bolts on your regular 2008 Ram 2500s. There's 2 bolts each side. Specifically on your passenger side, you don't necessarily have to take the bolt out or take the assembly out because you can easily access the light bulb through back here. I've got my hand on it, I just can't twist it right there. If you reach your hand in there, you have immediate access to your light bulb. Over here, we are just going to go ahead and disassemble
Typically on your 3rd gens, you have this little lock back here. Mine is broken. I need to get a new one. You would have to use it like a flathead or something to pop it off of this, I guess, stud. Locks right there. Mine's broken, like I said, so I don't really have to worry about that. Remove these headlights, twist, and pull straight out. We're going to look at this. Yep, that appears to be fried. Just a little bit, right down there at the bottom. I'm not sure if you can see that or not. Remember what I said, these are strictly plug and play. You got your female, you got your male. Plug it right in. There it goes. Plug it right into your stock plug. Gotta keep the diodes vertical. Hope that those are vertical. If not, we can do some minor adjustments later. Cable management's key. I don't have good cable management. Make sure you don't use your bulb or your amber like I just did. Slide your assembly back into place. And take your 10 mils and put them right back in. As I said before, you can reach into the assembly frame for the passenger side, twist that bulb out. You have immediate access to it. This one's a little different. This one has a lock on it. Push down, retrieve your bulb. RPM, same process as before. Slide her on in there. Locked into place. We'll worry about cable management later. Go back into your frame on the back here. Alright, after a minor attitude adjustment with these assemblies, they finally agreed that maybe they should come out. And we got that light in there. Okay, did a little bit of research, messaged RPM, and great customer service. Like literally messaged the owner, and he got back with me within like 10 minutes. Neither of the resistors were bad. They were actually one. Oh my gosh! Stop. Shh. One of the resistors, one of the input plugs deep inside of the resistor was dislodged a little bit. So I just pushed it back in there, secured it, clicked it properly. Lights up perfect. So here is what the lights look like, even behind the foggy mess that is my assembly. Get these guys put away. Wire management I will deal with later. So this is low beam, and I'm just going to apologize to my neighbors later. But this is low beam, and then high beam. Come back around. But what we are going to inevitably do, I want to sand this down, get this all cleaned up, so it's not looking like some kind of nasty crap. I know this isn't usually my the videos that I post on my channel, but I figured it was something pretty fun that I could do, just a little upgrade to the truck that made it 1,000 times better. We'll do a nighttime drive. Actually, no, we don't even need to do a nighttime drive. If you guys enjoyed the video, drop a like, leave a comment, go check out RPM, and I'll provide a link to his Facebook page below, and I will also install a sticker, or apply the sticker, to my back window to show my support. This guy makes some really good LED packages for your vehicles. So get in touch with RPM and see if he can do something for your vehicle. See you guys in the next one.